In this video, I will show you step by step how to share a link in Google Drive. So the first thing to do, if you want to share a link in Google Drive, go to your browser and search for drive.google.web. So after you search for this, it will give you this. Now right click and open this. After you open this, from there it will ask you to select the Gmail account that you want to sign in to your Drive. So for me, if you sign in, it will give you an interface like this one. So after you select the Gmail account, you'll be able to see the Gmail account in this option. So the next thing to do, you click on this My Drive. So from there, it will give you all the files that you have in your Drive. So now if you want to share a link of a specific file in the Drive, the first thing to do, just right click on the link on the file you want to share the link. Let's say I want to share link of this file. I'll right click on it. After you right click on it, then go to share. After this, then you click on this copy button. So now you copy the link of this file. So from there, you go ahead now and give the link to the person you want him to access this file in your Google Drive. And that's it, guys. If this video helps you out, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.